Hello everybody, today we're going to unwrap the DaLuca Straps Ballistic Nylon Black NATO watch strap with mat buckle and hardware. So let's go ahead and remove the wrapper and take a close-up look at the strap. This strap is 20mm wide. DaLuca Straps makes them in a variety of widths. And also, as you can see, this strap is more of a Zulu design because it's got these chunky keepers and buckle, and they're of a rounded rectangular design. And also with the strap end over here, it's a rounded off tail end of the strap. And normally with NATO straps, with the NATO design, what you have with the hardware is you have more of a lower profile and less chunky metal parts on it, being the keeper and the buckle itself. And there'll be more of a rectangle design with rounded off corners rather than being rounded chunky rectangle as you see here with this strap. And also with the tail end as well, with the end of the strap, it'll normally be a straight edge with rounded off corners rather than being a rounded end over here. So let's take a close-up look. And let me show you the thickness of the strap as well. So as you can see, it's fairly thick, or reasonably thick. And let's have a close-up look at the holes as well, because sometimes with the holes, what you get with some makers is that they actually melt the holes so that they don't fray over time from being used. And it seems to be the case over here, so that's a good thing. And also, let's have a look at the actual buckle itself with the pin, because with some designs, some manufacturers actually have a little notch there so that the pin sits firmly in place. But this NATO strap itself is actually quite rigid and firm, so it's not allowing much movement at all on the pin, which is a good thing. So that's the DaLuca Straps Ballistic Nylon Black NATO watch strap with mat buckle and hardware. Thanks for watching and happy fastening!